Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera, and also hi to everyone, especially to our physics lecturer, electricity and magnetism subject, which is Sir Abdul Halim. My name is Muhammad Firdaus Zamzuri. My student ID given by UITM is 2024-270696. So today in this video, our group are going to talk about water turbine and its relation in electricity and magnetism, which is the subject we are currently studying in semester 3 in the course of AS 120. We are not alone making this video for electricity and magnetism, specifically the topic of water turbine. So the members are Muhammad Firdaus Zamzuri, which is me, myself. I am the group leader for this group. The second member is of course Arena Vera Akhtar. The third member is Nur Auni Amira binti Aujari. The fourth member is Muhammad Faris bin Jusli, and the last one is Clarice Esteban Ignatius. So there are 3 males and 2 females in this group. Renewable energy is referring to the type of energy that we can get it from the natural sources. For example, the sun, from the wind, from the water, and also from the heat that produced by the earth from its core. And the renewable energy is quite clean, even though it's not really 100% clean, but it only produces the small amount of air pollution. It only produces a small quantity of pollution, meaning to say it will not affect our environment as the coal and oil did. There is one from 1,000 ways for we to generate electricity in today's modern world. And this apply the concept of hydropower energy. So hydropower energy involve the machine that we call as the water turbine system. So what is exactly a water turbine system? So water turbine system is a large machine or a small machine that contain blades or has blades on it, where these blades will turn when the water from the river or from the oceans flows onto it. And when the blades turns or moves, it will convert the kinetic energy into the electricity or the electric energy. And this electricity will be used by us to do our daily basis. And this type of energy that created by the water turbine system is quite clean because it only involves the movement of water naturally from the ocean or from the river. And this energy is also a bit cheap if we compare to the oil and also coal as the popular energy source we use today in modern world.
What is the electricity and magnetism concepts in water turbine? Well, water turbine uses process called electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction states when water flows, the water turbine's blades will spin. The water turbine is connected to a generator. Inside the generator, there is a magnet and a coil of oil. When the water turbine rotates, the magnets rotate as well. This causes the magnetic field around the coil to change. When the magnetic field changes, electricity will be produced. Next, this will be followed by another process called Faraday's law. Faraday's law states that a changing magnetic field produce a voltage in a coil. Okay. Next, another process will be follow is Lenz's law. Lenz's law explains the direction in a current, changing direction in a current. When the current changes, the induced current flow in direction that opposes changes causing it. This finally will make an alternating current be produced. After that, alternating current is used because it can be transmitted efficiently using long distances. The electricity from water turbines this allows electricity from water turbines to be supplied to homes and industries. In results, the water turbines use electromagnetic induction based on Faraday's laws and Lenz's law and produce alternating current. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
So in this part, I will explain how a turbine engine works as a renewable energy technology. Turbine converts kinetic energy from natural sources like wind, water, and steam into a mechanical energy. When the moving fluid flows over the turbine blades, it causes the blades to rotate. This rotation then drives a generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The efficiency of a turbine depends on factors like blade design, fluid speed, and turbine type because turbines naturally replenish energy sources. They produce electricity with minimal pollution and are important technology for sustainable energy generation.
What are the examples of real-world implementations of water turbines? Firstly are the hydroelectric dams. Water turbines are used in large dams to generate electricity from flowing or falling water. For example, the Three Gorges Dam in China and Bakun Dam in Malaysia. Gravitational potential energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Other than that, there are run-of-river power plants. These systems use the natural flow of rivers without large reservoirs. Water turbines generate electricity with minimal environmental impact. This is common in rural and mountainous areas. Thirdly are the tidal power stations. Water turbines are driven by tidal movements of seawater. For example, the La Rance tidal power station in France. It uses a predictable tidal energy to produce renewable electricity. Lastly is the micro hydropower systems. Small water turbines are installed in villages or remote areas. It is used to supply electricity for homes, schools, and farms. It is also suitable for small streams and irrigation canals.
After seeing real-world implementation of water turbine, I will now discuss their potential benefit and challenge. One major benefit of water turbine is that they provide renewable and sustainable energy with very low greenhouse gas emission. They are also highly relevant and efficient, especially in areas with consistent water flow. In the long term, operating costs are relatively low once the system is built. However, there are also some challenges, like the initial construction cost of water turbines system can vary high. In addition, large-scale projects may affect aquatic ecosystem and disrupt fish habitats. Water turbines also depend on water availability, which can be influenced by seasonal changes and climate conditions. Therefore, water turbines offer many advantages as a renewable energy source, but careful planning is needed to minimize their environmental impact.
We hope in the future, this small scale of water turbine can be widely used, especially in two Borneo states in Malaysia, which are Sabah and also Sarawak, because these two states always experience the electricity problem, especially in some rural areas in these two states. Even though the water turbine is smaller if we compare to the water turbine that widely used in the industrial activity, but the small scale of water turbine still can convert the kinetic energy of flowing water into the mechanical energy and then into the electrical energy, which is still can be used by some people to do their daily activities perfectly. In the future engineering's world, we hope that the water turbine system design can be focused more on its efficiency. Higher efficiency is referring to the situation where the kinetic energy of flowing water can be converted into the electrical energy without higher energy loss. Apart from that, the water turbine system's design have to consider the speed and also the pressure of the flowing water from harming the fish and also some aquatic lives in ocean or even in river. By controlling the speed and the design or the shape of the blades of the water turbine system, so that we can generate electricity, and at the same time we also can maintain the natural ecosystem of the marine life. After sharing a little bit of information from this topic of water turbine system, we are now at the end of the topic. So to conclude, I hope we all can learn something from this topic that we just shared to you guys, and I just want to say thank you and Assalamualaikum to everyone, and especially to our level lecturer Sir Abdul Halim. Bye bye.